Hi, I'm John P. Gallagher. I'm going to talk about the key points in my book, Things I Never Told My Doctor. The book was written in 2010. I had just gotten home from a psychiatric medication adjustment. Ideas were pouring out of my mind. I decided to put these ideas onto paper. The reason for the title is because these are things that I was able to deal with on my own. It's a new approach to therapy. Many persons with mental health challenges were no longer sitting around in nursing homes smoking cigarettes and watching television. They've gotten much better with new on the market medications. I started dealing with things on my own. I had occasional help from my peers. Some had information that was extremely helpful. Some lent me their ear in a support group meeting of my peers. These are peer-run support group meetings. Times were changing. These were the times when our peers were starting to change the system and represent peers. Things I Never Told My Doctor is a memoir of segments of my life. It details my finding my own way rather than constantly relying on supervisory help. The days of government funding for these institutions was coming to an end. Other reasonable, less expensive solutions were being figured out. The people involved and their families were reluctant to have to find their own way. I never liked much of the supervisor's help's opinions or ideas of what they thought I should do. Ideally, my book is an educational slice of time, an experience through peer-to-peer. It is ideal for all school levels for counseling and guidance.